Today on Sour Lemons, we climb our way up to the top of Mount Benson to ride the trail that goes by the name of Chainsaw Ridge. If you don't know this trail, it's known for being something you ride once and maybe never hit again. Well, today, we're going to see if it lives up to that.
Whoa. Thanks. Oh, this is nuts. Oh.
At this section, you can go right or you can go straight. I decided to check out what right's like.
Ooh. Oh.
Cale, on the other hand, decided to go straight.
Nice little flat pedally bit. So I don't know what's coming up next. So I'm expecting it all to be gnarly. Yeah, I saw a couple guys coming down here earlier. So honestly, we're almost using the tire tracks as the way to go, just because this trail is really good at hiding its pathway. Lots of punchy ups, lots of punchy downs. Ooh, and they're all difficult. Lots of rocks and roots to hit here. Hell yeah.
Cale decides to hit the main roll.
So off to our left is that crazy rock wall we just saw Cale do. So we're just going to take the ride around feature, which is equally as chundery, but not as gnar. Ooh, foot just slipped off. Ooh. Got some front nose wheelie action there. Whoa. Oh. Man, some tight stuff. Right on. Back curve, squirreling everywhere. Whoa. Yo, that's right, I made it through that. Take it though. Happy with that. Yeah. I see a punchy up. Whew. I remember riding this trail when I first got my bike, and I literally walked to 80% of it. I feel way better now. Oh, heads up, heads up. Whoa, there we go. We're good. Front tire just got stuck in the mud. Crawl down it. Oh, the back of my legs is getting peppered with mud. Ooh, I don't know how to do this. Come on. Ooh. I don't know what's more gnarly. Oh yeah. I'm like bashing the spokes off. Chundery rocks on the flow. Saving myself from going over the bars. This trail is no joke. Just track standing, waiting to go down. All right, ready. Okay, stay quiet. Whoa, keep hitting my front brake a little bit, just a little bit too much. Through the woods. This part's not so bad so far. There's got a part coming up. Yeah, get my cranks. Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Ooh, that rock roll grabs your tire a bit. Gotta be careful of that. What am I doing? Oh, stayed on. Ooh. Uh-oh. I hear Cale yelling in the distance. I just hit my bottom bracket on that rock. You all good, bud?
Yeah, I tried to just pop my wheel up and over this, and now it's over there.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, there's a fancy, fresh new bridge. Oh, right on. Ooh, it's jiggling. When I say fresh new bridge, wasn't here the last time I rode it, over a year ago. Whoa. Wasn't in balance for that. Man, this trail is lots of fun, but it's pretty thundery. Even on the easy parts. Like right now, I'm just kind of trying to catch my breath. It's just going up and down, and then up and down again, just because. Oh, fresh trail work. Thank you. My back, just getting peppered with all this mud and tacky dirt. It's awesome, but it's also going inside my shoes. Lots of up and down on this trail. Lots of flat, but there's also lots of steep. Biking gear. And by that, I mean, it smells like a gym locker. Whew. Sorry for my panting. This trail is kicking my ass. Oh. All right, so our left line here is where Cale just rolled down. This is our ride around because I've never hit the rock roll, and today I don't think it's the day. That just means I had to come up and clean all the cool features. don't know what that sign says, but probably find out soon. Yo! He's down in the ditch.
I came into her too hot and I didn't know where it was going.
Shredding it. Are we riding creeper or what?
Are we running?
This is all rocks.
I came into it and there's like a big boulder moved already.
Yeah, there's a boulder right here. I'm gonna kick it out of the way here.
Creepers.
Creeper. Alright. Into the woods. Oh, all these rocks are loose.
We're talking about why chainsaw is not, it's not tech, it's jank. There's a difference.
There's a big difference, bud.
A big difference between tech and jank.
Janky.
And I'm on a long ass 29. You're kidding me. You've been around this fucking corner.
It's meant for... Your chain is like in like 3 gears at once. Taking her slow. I'm just catching up to you. You're already gonna smoke me anyways.
Everything. I don't know where I'm going. Not on the right.
Your chain's in like, yeah, like I said, like 5 different gears now. Is it? It's slowly going into the gear you want. Shred it. His chain's still in like 4 gears. That's perfect.
This trail definitely pushes anyone's skill on a bike. It's basically the combination of an XC trail and a downhill trail, making it the perfect enduro route. If you decide to take on this trail, be prepared. It isn't for the faint of heart. Well, that's all for this week. For more Sour Lemons, hit subscribe and tune in next week for Meat Draw?